Good afternoon, everybody. Mike Vacchi, PrincetonTrader.com, here with your Monday evening recap. I hope everybody is having and has had and is continuing to have a fantastic Labor Day weekend. Looking ahead for the market tomorrow. Here's what we've got. Friday was weak. At the end of the day there, I think a lot of people did not want to be long over the 3-day weekend, and the big kind of walked away there in the afternoon. We printed as low as 1625 half. Which interestingly enough was one of the levels that we cover in the room is the print immediately preceding the last jobs report, which was 1625 half. We went down, we tested that on the dime, and there was price rejection there. There was 4 handles instantly. We went from 25 half to 29 half, and we gapped up big Sunday night, and we continued, in these Monday Globex sessions, it almost always is a grind higher. So, the thing I told my subscribers Sunday night is do not start shorting this. Don't just short it because it's up, because they're going to just walk it up a little higher. And they did basically from 41. We printed a high of 48.5, and we're sitting at 47.5 into the close, getting ready to open Monday night into Tuesday. I think we're going to trade a little higher. I've got a trend line here that I am going to be watching fairly closely. That goes through last couple highs. I think a test of this trend line is essentially a test of the 50-day exponential moving average of the 1652, 1653 half area. We'll see how the market reacts to that. If it breaks through there, then I think we will get a genuine test of the middle band. So it's a shortened week this week, 4-day week, but it's a pretty action-packed week. You've got everything that's going on in Syria. Now we're going to have Congress debating whether or not we should do that. So there's going to be headline risk associated with that. We've got ISM, we've got ISM services, then we get ADP, jobless claims, leading up into Friday's jobs report. So a short week. There at points in time this week, it's going to be very, very volatile, very, very quote-unquote exciting for those of you that look for excitement in the market. At other times, though, it's going to feel like summer because this last 4-day week still tends to be slow. I know it's after Labor Day and the kids are back to school, but the reality is I don't think the majority of traders get back to a full schedule until next week, until the first full 5 days. I think you'll start to see people coming in, say Thursday, Friday in anticipation of jobs. That's just the way the calendar sets up. But I would expect tomorrow and Wednesday to be on the slower side, but it's going to have pockets of volatility, pockets of boredom, just like last week. So we're looking at this trend line, then we're looking at middle band. The trend line also coincides with the 20-day pivot. Those pivots are attached to this webcast. So that's what I'm looking for. Everybody have a fantastic night. I'll be out in the morning with a morning webcast. And check us out. Follow us on Twitter at Princeton Trader. I've posted a recording of the webinar that we did last week on pivots and levels. So everybody please come in and check that out. It's on the homepage of the website there on the slider. You can click and get the recording. Come on in. We're starting September. We're starting the busy time in the markets again. Great way to start a 2-week trial over in the chat room and see if we can help with your trading. And like I said, I'll be back tomorrow morning with another webcast. Enjoy the rest of your Labor Day, everybody. Trade them well.